What's up, my good people? Welcome guys to Tech Explorers, and into this video we're gonna learn more about Windows 11 Defender. When I talk of Windows 11 Defender, it's an inbuilt protection by Microsoft. So we have Windows 11 Defender installed, that is inbuilt in Windows 11, and Windows 11 Defender protects you from from installing harmful programs that can destroy any data that is installed into your PC, and also those malware they can also destroy Windows 11. So that is the reason why we have Windows 11 Defender installed, that is inbuilt into your PC, into your Windows 11, so that you can always stay protected. But in some cases, when you are installing programs, especially programs that are outside Microsoft Appstore, actually that is Windows 11 Defender will actually block those programs from being installed. And in some instances, those programs are very essential. They are normal programs and the programs are not harmful, but Windows 11 Defender recognizes those apps as malware, or what we call the viruses, malicious programs. So how can you be able to install those programs? How can you be able to install those programs in your Windows 11 in spite of those programs being recognized by Windows 11 Defender as malicious programs? So for you to be able to install programs outside Microsoft App Store, you need to disable Windows 11 Defender. And how do you disable Windows 11 Defender? Only what you need to do, you just need to click this button and go to settings. Then under settings, we need to go to privacy and security settings. We have these are privacy and security settings. Just you click and go to Windows security. Then under Windows and security, we have 5 security features. The protection areas, that is under Windows security. We have virus and threat protection. We have account protection. We have firewall and network protection. When you talk of firewall and network protection, it protects you from from malware that are downloaded from the internet. We also have the malware blocking, that is your PC from being hacked or being accessed by somebody from a distance. That is the firewall actually will block all that. We also have app and browser control. This one helps to control the browser and the apps that you have installed to your PC. Also we have device security. We also have device performance and health. But our main point of interest today is Windows Defender. And when you talk of Windows Defender, it falls under the category of virus and threat protection. So we just need to open virus and threat protection. Then under virus and threat protection, you can see we have the virus and threat protection. You can go to scan, for example, in case you suspect that there's some malware that already installed your PC. You can just run a quick scan and the system will actually give you a review, will give you the result. In case there are some virus, you can go to remove them. In case you don't consider those files as virus, you can just skip. So but our main business of today is how you can go to disable Windows 11 Defender so that you can go to install programs that are outside Microsoft App Store. So you just need to go to manage settings, that is our virus and threat protection. Then under virus and threat protection, we have several options. We have real-time protection, crowd-derived protection. We also have automatic sample submission and tamper protection. So before we proceed, before we disable Windows 11 Defender, let's learn what does each of these options represent. We have the first option, which is real-time protection, and this one locates and stops malware from installing or running on your PC or your device. And when we talk of, so for example, when you're installing a program from that you have, let's say for example you have created a program yourself and you want to install that program to your PC, the program, this is the option that you need to disable so that you can be able to install that program to your PC. When this option is enabled, you cannot be able to install that program because Windows 11 Defender will recognize that programs as malicious. So you need to disable this program so that you can be able to install. Something else, another instance is like when you want to install another program. Let's say for example you have downloaded from the internet, but it is from a trusted source, but it is recognized as a malicious program. So you just need to disable this option, then you can install that programs. Once you are done installing that program, then you can come and turn it back on, or in case even if you don't turn it back on, this option will turn itself on automatically the moment you just switch off your PC or the moment you restart your PC. Another option is crowd derivative protection, and this one provides increased and faster protection with access to the latest protection data in the cloud. So in case, for example, you are downloading certain files, this is the option that will help to protect you so that you don't download that is malicious file from the internet. We also have something we call automatic sample submission, and this one sends files to Microsoft to help protect you and others from potential threats. When these, for example, there is something that you have identified as it is not a malicious program. Actually, automatic sample submission sends that sample to Microsoft, so that program, in case it's a good program, they can scrutinize it, and in case it's a good program and the program does not contain that is a malicious programs, they can go to that is allow that program to run into not just into a PC but also to other people's PC. We also have tamper protection, and this one prevents others from tampering with important security features. So it's all this program. For example, you happen to disable your time protection, the tamper protection, at the moment you just restart your PC or you switch it off, and the moment you switch it back on, the tamper protection will actually automatically turn on your time protection, so that you can always be protected when you are browsing, when you're operating your PC. So in case, for example, you want to install a program that is from any source, you just need to click that is you just need to disable that option. Then from there you can proceed, go and install the program, and once the program is installed, actually you can just come and turn it back on, because it is not safe at all to stay with Windows Defender when it is disabled. So it is very, very safe if Windows Defender is always turned on, so that you can always stay protected. And that's all we have for today, guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.